Model, 2013 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 155PS 290 Trend Front Wheel Drive Long Wheelbase, Spares OR Repairs Turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 120,889. MOT, the 8th of February 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, runs on easy start, turbo core is snapped, needs replacing. We believe the engine won't run correctly because exhaust gases cannot escape because of turbo snapped, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,825. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.